Introducing the Enforcer Seal Guard Lock. This solution protects cargo doors and secures the integrity of seals on reefers, dry vans, and containers. If a seal is broken, missing, or doesn't match records, receivers may reject the load, leading to costly losses, reputational damage, and empty shelves. The Enforcer Seal Guard helps prevent these issues by shielding seals from tampering, hazardous conditions, and unauthorized removal. It works with all common seal types. Built from stainless steel, it installs permanently on trailer doors and is compatible with all manufacturers. It's securely fastened with 4 bolts and an optional steel backing plate. To use, apply your seal, close the guard, and secure it with a heavy-duty Enforcer ABLOY padlock for best-in-class protection against tampering and theft. ABLOY padlocks are built with disc technology specifically for the supply chain. They're made from high-quality materials featuring stainless steel ball bearings, a hardened steel body, and a case-hardened boron steel shackle. Competitor locks use springs and pins that freeze and jam. ABLOY padlocks offer up to 21,000 pounds of pull resistance. Engineered for rugged trucking conditions, sleet, ice, road grime, these locks stay operable in any weather. They don't freeze, they don't fail. Trusted by the top carriers and shippers nationwide. Stop theft and seal-related disruptions with the Enforcer Seal Guard Lock from Transport Security.